Good day, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Nataliya here, and we are continuing to do video unboxing review of diamond paintings. Yesterday I uploaded my first video, so go check it out. And today we have from Metodeals diamond painting. This box feels really heavy. I already unpacked from the bag that was covered on the top, so we have a nice and clean box left. I do have discount code for you to save some money, so check it out, information under my video in the description box. And let's get this party going, because tomorrow we will have another unboxing with you. So if you like diamond painting, I highly recommend you come over and look, because you never know if you will fall in love with something. I don't know what's in here or how many. Sometimes they put like few diamond paintings. I cannot remember what I got, but looks very heavy. I don't know if that's a few designs in here or this is just a one something big I ordered. I cannot remember, to be honest. Okay, let's check it out. So far, okay, I see there is more than just one. That's why it's heavy, because we have in here, oh my goodness, I just picked up on a picture. That is so cute. We're going to start with this one because this is the smaller design. So the tools, we have the same tools for both of them. Tray, wax, tweezers, and one placer and three placer pen. And this is exactly the same one, so we already know how the tools looks like, because it's always the same. And I will go with you today first for this one design, because it's so colorful. Look at the beautiful colors. Okay, let me get this one pull out first, take it off our way so we don't get distracted yet. And now let's check it out, this one. Let me just flip it. Canvas is perfect. Yeah, I got a little bit marking dirty, but that's okay. It's on this side. Got a little bit marking for something. Are you ready? Look at those eyes. Oh wow. This is such a beautiful art. I don't know. Design is here. It's a 50 by 50 centimeters canvas. I see that we have in here 40 colors. Do we have anything special? No, it looks like it's probably just a regular diamonds in here. It is a square diamonds, but a little bit of the, look at the shiny, I don't know who this is. I think it's like a hamburger thing. Shiny bun with humongous eyes. This is such a fun design that I decided, wow, I didn't have something crazy like this for a long time. Why not to have a fun and review one? And I see so many beautiful colors up there. Look at those colors. Let me show you design on paper. Maybe it will be better a little bit on this one. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty, like this, all this shine shimmers. And this is definitely hamburger. Look at the cheese sticking out. This is cute. This is totally not me, but it's cute. So I decided I have to go extreme and order something that normally I wouldn't order. But to me, I think I'm a big sucker for the big eyes. Remember my bumblebee with this kind of big eyes? I think that's what sold for me. The big, amazing eyes. And diamonds in here, so pretty. Let me show you the canvas first. The canvas quality is like super outstanding. Look, first of all, the glue quality is amazing, and then symbol wise print is absolutely gorgeous. It will be so easy to do. Wow, I have to finish my design because I do have, or I already finished. No, Metodeals. What kind of design? I think I have something in my whips, or it's a girl. I can't remember from which store, but I have to check it out. This would be such a cool and colorful design to do. and then you place it in your kitchen or your dining table, because it is food. It's a hamburger, but it's a very cute one. I cannot believe I ordered this. Wow, it's gorgeous. And the colors, I just have to dump these colors because they are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, this combination in here. Let me get you a little bit more close. Look at the combination of the colors, and they are so looking shiny. Diamonds look so beautiful. Look at this diamonds color. The coral. Oh, and this, all this row like in here. Look at that. It's so pretty. On camera kind of look more blue, but it's more like a to the mint family bluish kind of like turquoise. Yeah, more like a turquoise. So it's this kind of blue. Then we have a purples. Oh, this is so pretty. Yeah, so this is definitely, it's not the fairy dust, no, because usually with the fairy dust would be letter C with the number. For the AB diamonds would be like AB with the number. So this one just a regular diamonds, but they are gorgeous, gorgeous quality diamonds. Oh my goodness, I love this color. This is so pretty. Looks more to the blue family from close up. It's totally different color in my hands. I don't know. Not even now, not this. Like, no computer. I mean, the camera a little bit messing up with the color of the diamonds. They are so much prettier than the camera. Okay, this is amazing. I love this little design. Tell me what you think about it. And I will be opening right now number 2 canvas. I can't remember what's up there. Definitely something big. Something big is 50 by 75 centimeter. Okay, huge pack of diamonds, and most of them is, oh, we have to hold on. We have to zoom out. Most of them is just a brown diamonds, as you can tell, darker colors, because the design in here, well, I can show you just like that. The warrior, oh, she's so amazing. My camera is trying to find a face finder. I was going to give it of the face finder because it's not always good for the video, and I don't know how to figure out. I have to go into the settings. Wow. The dark like a brown, they do print very in dark colors, so hopefully, oh wow, she's like so looking good. Oh, her tight stomach, I want that. I want that for myself. I have to hit the gym. That's what I have to do. She has like, I don't know, that's a feather or kind of like a fabric break in her dress up there. And of course, she's also sexy. She's amazing. Look at that. Her face, her headpiece is gorgeous. This is also a picture that you have to kind of look on a website without pixels. She is awesome. She is awesome. She's amazing. I love her. I love her. I want to be her because she is a strong woman who don't take anything for, like, you know, she will stand up and beat you up. So 45 colors in here, and this one design, what do we have? AB colors in 2 colors, so it has to be something brown, because oh, look at that, little bit of turquoise and orange. It's because of the her design on her crown and here on those feathers. So we have a little bit patch of the bright colors, but I want to find which one is the AB and how many we have of them. So it's going to be white. Oh, here it is, white. Oh, and red. Oh, so it's going to be for the feathers in here as well. This is 2 colors for her headpiece. White and red. Red is so dramatic. And white is nice. Wow. Alright, and the rest of it, you can see, it's just like dark colors and few splashes of the color for her feathers. There you go, 2 different turquoise. And yeah, 50 shades of brown, you know, brown, 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 kind of greenish. Yep, all dark colors in here. So we're not going to open because all those brown shades, nothing really like screaming exciting to see, but she alone is very beautiful warrior. I love the way she's standing, her position. She's like ready to go and fight. I don't know if she's a native girl or what, because looks like she has like a spear in here. In here she has, or maybe like she's from medieval thing that used to fight with the protective from the arrowheads, right? I don't know. She's nice. She is nice. So what do you think about these 2 designs? Which one was your favorite? They are 2 very different designs. One is happy and cheery, colorful, and the other one is just a gorgeous, mysterious, and I don't know, I really love this design very much. When I saw her on the website, I fell in love immediately. Alright, my friends, this is it. Short video for today. We're already in 12 minutes. And tomorrow will be day number 3 of recording unboxing for diamond painting. I am recording them all in one day, one after another. So I have a schedule, and I know that you have video for each day. If I can't record anything else, if I do, I will upload in the mix something else. But for now, enjoy watching, and I hope you had fun. I hope you decided to order something, and at the same time, don't forget to use the discount code to save your money, because you know it's always nice. It's nice to save 5, but when you can save 10%, it's so much better, right? All right, I will see you tomorrow with the other unboxing. And thank you, Metodeals, for sending me this nice, in a beautiful box. This one box is like no damage whatsoever, nicely packing. Before it was like a white box, this time black boxes, so definitely changed their packaging a little bit. And I wish them, you know, good luck with this new store, because it's recently open, and I hope you diamond painting as well, because it is a beautiful art. I like those shiny bits and pieces to put together, and you have amazing art. And she is absolutely gorgeous. Right now, the way you see in her, like no glare. It's a sideway, yes, but she is awesome. This way, can we fit her a little bit this way? She's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, my friends, I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day, everyone.